Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a basic button in Godot and center it on the screen. This is perfect if you're just getting started with UI in Godot. First, open your Godot project and create a new scene. Set the root node to a control node, since buttons are UI elements. Now click the plus icon. Search for button, and add it as a child node. Once it appears in the scene, you'll notice the button is very small by default. To resize it, simply click on the button and drag the corners in the viewport to make it bigger. This makes it easier to see and work with. Now let's center the button. You can do this manually by dragging it to the middle of the screen. Or you can use Godot's built-in layout options. At the top of the editor, click Layout, then choose Center to automatically center the button. Next, select the button and look in the inspector. Find the text property and type in your button label, like play or start. Finally, let's simplify the button's appearance. In the inspector, scroll down to Theme Overrides, open Styles, and assign a simple style to give the button a clean look. Here I am choosing Style Box Flat, and assign blue color to it. And that's it. You've created, resized, centered, and styled a basic button in Godot.